Simon Campbell. Simon, where you at? So, Mr. Campbell, I'll just address this with you now. We're not going to be providing the podium. I'm in receipt of your emails, in receipt of your comments. And
I reclaim my
very
time.
clear.
I reclaim my time. I own property.
Time out. Mr.
I own
Campbell.
property in Franconia Township right now. I am a taxpayer of the school district. I make those statements under penalty of perjury. I will have my time. I start the clock now. Just a sec. No, do not interrupt me. I have given you the information that you need. No, do not interrupt me, okay?
Mr. Campbell.
I have a right, a constitutional right to speak to non-agenda items. I am speaking to the need to amend your board policy 903, your public participation policy.
I don't know what else to say. I apologize for the disruption tonight, folks.
The board approved suspension of 3 readings requirement. The suspension will end upon the adjournment of the January 26, 2023 meeting.
Mr. Keith, I'm raising an objection under the Sunshine Act, section 710.1C. And my objection, I will have my colleague here, Mr. Daly, give you printed copies. You are voting on something that did not happen, and the Sunshine Act requires you to vote on things that do happen. Despite what you just said, Mr. Keith, there was no recess in December. You did not call a recess. Even on your own doctored videotape, there is no word recess. I raise an objection to the fact that you are trying to recreate a public record of a government meeting. You are trying to erase from history the fact that you had school police officers escort me out of this meeting room. You are trying to wipe the slate clean, the equivalent of Adolf Hitler in 1930 burning books.
The objection.
Is there an objection?
Yes, there is an objection. I'm asking you to not approve something that did not in fact happen.
The board has heard your objection. We disagree with your interpretation of what the Sunshine Law requires.